Welcome back. So this is Dividend Investor, and in this video I want to give you an example of how the spreadsheet works and how I track my own dividend stocks, growth stocks using this spreadsheet. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. It's very straightforward, very easy. Everything is pretty much automated, so it's all automatic. It does everything for you, even when you're not even on the app. Spreadsheet, it does it all for you, so you can have it on your iPhone device, a tablet, iPad, computer, anywhere, as long as you have Google and access to an internet. So as you can see here, you can have several options of what this will track. So like average price, market price, cost basis, gain and loss, dividend, ex-dividend date, payday, even dividend reinvestment, and a lot more I just didn't mention. So as you're watching the video, you'll see what I mean. Then you go to the available balance, but you can go to depository, which you can actually insert how much you want to get paid. So as you can see, £1, and every time you deposit, it just calculates everything for you. So this isn't actually linked to your brokerage account or anything. You just have to enter it manually. So it's a lot safer for you. And then if you withdraw it, actually shows you that you withdrew the money and how much you did it and what day. So that's pretty cool. And then as you can see on the right side is another 3 boxes of dividends. So basically you get months and then you get companies which you enter. I'll show you how to enter these later on and how it works. It's very straightforward, very simple. But yeah, that's a depository, and this is like individual stocks. So for each sheet, you do get to enter each sheet. So basically that's its own dedicated stocks. So sheet 1 can be Apple, or sheet 2 can be JP Morgan, sheet 3 has to be something else. So, and then once you add them all up, it's all going to show up on the overview. So as you can see, sheet 1, if this is a US stock, you tick the box, does a conversion for you. So now it converts from everything from dollars into pounds. As you can see, JP Morgan, all automatic, and I think that says £75, so it obviously converts it from USD to GBP. We'll be releasing a new update where it doesn't convert anything if you are from the US. If you are from America and you want to have just dollars, so there will be an option there soon. So as you can see, you just simply enter the amount of quantity of shares you have, if you paid any commission, and at the end you have to just put how much you paid. And then the sheet will do its magic and work out what price you bought it at, considering how much you paid and how many shares you have. So it'll do that magic over there. So it does work for UK stocks, English stocks, London Exchange. You just don't have to tick the box, which is at the top. You don't have to convert anything. So as you can see, £150 I put in, and if you can hear my laptop going, it's the fan. But yeah, that's how it works. So this is the beginning bit, and as soon as you completed it, it's going to show up on the overview. And how to get the dividends information is very straightforward. So all you have to do is go to Yahoo Finance and find out the Yahoo ticker. Over here, as you can see, this is all pre-recorded, so I'm just voicing over. So the way to change the currency is basically just following the video. It's very straightforward. Just go to custom currencies and just type in a $sign or £, whichever you want. So obviously this is a JP Morgan, so it's a American stock, so it would have to be in dollars, just so that you don't get confused. And the gain and loss is in pounds, but I'll show you how you can change it to USD by clicking that button over there, but I'll do that in a second. So here I'm going to put JP Morgan again, but that's a Yahoo ticker, and as you can see, it'll bring up the ex-dividend day, payday, dividend yield, and dividend annual dividend. And then at the top, well, later down, is going to show you the actual dividend that you will receive, depending on how many shares that you have. So that was JP Morgan. What I'm going to do next, I think I'm going to go do a different stock. So again, I'm going to put AT&T down, and then you can tick it after. So as you can see, the price is incorrect right now until you tick it. As you can see, it just converts it to the correct price, and again, it's in pounds. So I will be making a new update on this. So 11 shares, I didn't pay any commission. This is just purely an example, and I paid 250. So as you can see, I'm in a minus. It will show you the main things over here. Average price, very cool to play about with that. Total amount paid as well, cost basis as well. But then if you go overview, it's the same process. Everything is already in here. All you put is T, get a dividend information, and boom, just like that. You can do dividend reinvestment. So basically that's just your estimated annual dividend plus the cost basis, and as long as you sort of reinvest back into the company. So I think now is where I should be showing you how to convert it, gain and loss, into dollars. I think it should be anytime soon. Okay, maybe not. So I'm going to play about with it, show you what this does. Okay, so we're going to go back into the dividend, how to record your dividend. So an example, let's say in August you got paid from AT&T and it was like £4.60. So it just shows up there, and then if you go down the line to JP Morgan's and Apple, and then if you got paid a little bit more, you count the total up, like this is like the total for September month, and then you just put in the price, £5, and it basically just adds it up, just calculates the more you go down, and that's pretty much the way to go. So the last month you enter the amount is basically the total you received up until that point, and then for 2021 you do pretty much the same thing. So it's very straightforward, very easy, and it's easy. I mean, the sheet does everything for you. It's like I'm saying from my own experience that this is the most advanced spreadsheet I have ever created, and here, as you can see here, by ticking this box, it will convert everything into dollars. So as you can see, just did it right there. So it's very straightforward, very easy. I really like it, and yeah, that does it automatically. And if you want it unticked, it'll be Great British Pounds, and if not, yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Adios.